Madam Speaker, as we chart our path from a low-wage economy to a more high-tech, high-earning economy, Jamaica has tremendous untapped opportunities in our logistics sector. Jamaica has gained significant foreign and local investment in the logistics sector, but has the potential to earn much, much more. There are some significant advantages that we have as a country. We're a strategic geographic location. We're close to the main east-west shipping lanes that connect the Far East, Europe, and North America. We have a solid, well-developed transport and telecoms infrastructure, and we have a large and trainable workforce. Madam Speaker, we need to use these advantages to pursue real and lucrative opportunities within the logistics sector, and there are many. There is bunkering, which provides the fueling of ships, and we have approximately 4,000 ships that call on Jamaica on an annual basis, 4,000, and that number will grow. There's an opportunity to hire engineers, technicians, marine pilots. We can look at warehousing and distribution through the Special Economic Incentive Program. We cannot be a productive economy with the prevailing electricity rates. Governments over the years, and I believe the member from East Kingston would have been the minister at the time, have endorsed a policy where we moved from achieving 30% of renewables by 2030 to 50% of renewables by 2030. When we left office, the current government endorsed the same target. But Madam Speaker, I must tell you, I am profoundly disappointed that 7 years after this government has come, 4 ministers of energy, we have not issued a single request for proposal for renewable energy to go onto the national grid. Yes. The last one was in 2013, and that build-out took place in 2016, 2017. But in 7 years, not a single request for proposal for renewable energy. Not a single one.
For nothing at all.
And Madam Speaker, last year I raised it. There were promises it coming soon. And here again it coming soon. Every time the issue comes up, we hear it is coming soon. Time comes. A country pays a price for corruption and mismanagement. I'm going to tell you what it is. There have been 4 different ministers in that ministry. 4 different ministers, right? And the disruption that has been occasioned in that ministry has made that ministry a shell of what it was before. I'm just going to call it straight. A shell of what it was before. It was one of the most catalytic ministries to drive economic growth. And we're now in a position 7 years later where we can issue one RFP for renewable energy in a country where we have sunshine 95% of the time.